AgEagle Aerial System buys senseFly for $23 million. AgEagle Aerial Systems, NYSE, UAVs to acquire senseFly, a Parrot Group wholly owned subsidiary, in a cash-and-stock transaction valued at $23 million. Founded in 2009, senseFly develops and produces a proprietary line of eBee-branded, high-performance, fixed-wing drones for professional use. Brandon Torres Declet, CEO, comments. Recognized as the producer of the world's most widely used fixed-wing drones, senseFly is an ideal strategic fit for AgEagle, and is expected to accelerate our core growth strategy centered on delivering proprietary, full-stack drone solutions to the global agriculture, construction, energy, government sectors, and in the future, package delivery. In addition, senseFly brings AgEagle solid engineering talent focused on advanced research and development, a well-established global reseller network, and a strong portfolio of intellectual property.